Hey, how do you get a farm girl to go on a date with you? A tractor? You a tractor? Oh man, I'm on a roll tonight. Serious question. Do I make you corny, baby? I've told that joke every single year since 1997. Oh, hey. So my wife asked me if I was going to get dinner here at the farm, but I said no thanks. Alpaca lunch. Alpaca lunch. Hey, how do you break up with a missionary from Idaho? Write him a John Deere letter. Write him a John Deere. So here on a farm, I'm listening to a lot of country music, which I don't usually do, and I just have to ask, are they just not aware of AA? If they stopped drinking, maybe they'd stop getting divorced so much. I've also noticed that they're really fond of dirt roads and trucks. I should open up a car wash in Nashville. Does she really think the guy's tractor is sexy, or was she just trying to make him feel better? Like when you're on your honeymoon and your wife is like, no, it looks completely normal. I've said too much.